Plank replacement. Planks with major damage close to a wall can be repaired by removing the wall base or quarter round, carefully unlocking the surrounding planks, numbering them on the back for reinstallation, then replacing the damaged plank. To replace a plank in the center of the floor, mark the damaged plank with a line down the center and angle lines into the corners. Drill quarter-inch holes close to the corners, taking care not to drill into the surrounding planks. Depending on the product, you can use a knife or circular saw set to the thickness of the plank to cut along the lines. Use a sharp chisel to finish the cuts into the corners of the plank. Carefully remove cut pieces, starting with the centerpiece. If an underlayment has been used, repair any damage before installing the replacement plank. Thoroughly clean the area of all debris that will prevent the replacement plank from fitting. Prepare the replacement plank by using a sharp knife to remove the small tongue on the end and the long joint slightly angling the blade. Remove 75% of the locking nub on the short groove end. Remove the corner of the groove as shown. Apply a small bead of adhesive to the groove edges on the planks in the floor, then angle the replacement plank into place, making sure the edges are even. Clean any adhesive, weight the plank, and restrict traffic until the adhesive is dry.